Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send a friend request in Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To send a friend request on Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open up your Clash Royale application. The home page of Clash Royale will appear on the screen. From the home page or battle page, tap on human icon at the top right side of the page. Now to send a friend request to someone on Clash Royale, tap on Invite Friends option. You can send a request on Clash Royale to your friends by tapping on any social media. Select a social media and click on the person you want to send a friend request to. This is how you can send friend requests on Clash Royale quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.